All right, to get her started, I'm just gonna submerge it all the way, like that. And we're just gonna get all of the air out. And I'm using both my hands to do this. I want all this air out. All right, once I've done that, then I'm gonna reach over, I'm gonna press and hold this. And then I just need there. See, I got a blue light. So now it's ready to go. And all I have to do is let it go. There she goes. Check it out. See that? So you need that blue light on there. And then it's ready to rock. All right, and as you can see, I've got a lot of leaves in the pool. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it do its thing, and then we'll come back and check it out afterwards. So the key thing is you've got to hold it until you get that blue light. You see that blue light flashing right there? That tells me it's working. That's important. You need that. So you really have to submerge it, really get all the air out, and then you press and hold until you get that light kicks in and it starts, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you got your pool cleaner's working. It's gonna go around the pool and clean the pool up, hopefully. We'll find out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I use this pool cleaner to clean my pool. Look at it, it's moving pretty quick. Let me pull back so you can get a good look. So we have a pretty unique pool, check it out. There she goes. She's going all the way to the other side. All right, we're gonna come back in about an hour and see how she did. You can see there's a lot of leaves. Look over here, there's leaves there, bunch of leaves over here. And it's just kind of cruising through there, sucking them up. And it goes forward and backwards. Look at that. Yeah, it's working good. You see we have rounded edges. We don't have square edges. Our pool is very unique in design. So if it can clean this pool, it probably can clean any pool. Take a look at our pool. Pretty crazy, right? It's got sun steps. It's got a lot of challenges for a robot. But she's doing pretty good so far.